This is semi-automatic washing machine. The water has not drained from this machine. Drain switch automatically coming wash mode. This is this machine problem. In this video we will learn how to repair washing machine at home. Please watch video until end. The first we need to unplug electrical power for our safety. Then disconnect water inlet. Then we need to open top housing cover. It has a screw on back side and plastic lock in front side. We need to unscrew this screw and little pull up this cover. Here is a back panel at back side of machine. We need to unscrew this screw. Then we can remove this panel. Then we need to release drain rope from the drain pump. Then we need to release top cover of the drain pump. Drain pump top cover we need to open. Here is a screw on the drain selector switch. We need to unscrew that screw. Then we need to remove drain switch. And we need to remove drain rope from the drain selector switch. Then we need to install another same new switch. I am going to install now the new switch. Then we need to fix it with a screw. And we need to fix drain rope. After that we need to install top cover and drain rope. We need to install same before. Then we need to fix back panel. Our machine is ready to use. I'm going to testing this machine.